Jodi Arias expected to appear in court today for a hearing about a new trial for the penalty phase of her murder case. ABC's Ryan Owens has more on the story.
First-degree murder, guilty.
The Jodi Arias case, the sensational trial that riveted millions and even inspired a TV movie.
Action!
I'm just your dirty little secret?
Is about to get its real-life sequel. This morning, Judge Sherry Stevens is expected to decide when the retrial of the penalty phase will begin. She said she'd like to start picking a new jury next month.
Ma'am, were you crying where you were shooting him?
I don't remember.
Those new jurors will not hear the entire case again.
The simple question that's before you is, do you kill her?
Their only task will be to decide if Arias should die for murdering her ex-boyfriend, Mormon businessman Travis Alexander, back in 2008.
Any juror who gets on there from this jury pool and says that they don't have any familiarity with this or haven't made up their mind, I think would probably need to be strapped into a polygraph.
Still, Jodi Arias' attorneys are hoping her retrial will not be as high profile. They filed this motion asking the judge to keep cameras out, or to at least forbid the trial from being broadcast live all over cable TV. The defense says the publicity was so intense, two witnesses, domestic violence expert Alice LaViolette and Arias' childhood friend Patty Womack, received death threats and are now too scared to come back to testify for round two. The judge may not buy that argument since it was Jodi Arias herself who couldn't seem to stay away from the cameras, granting jailhouse interviews as that first jury deliberated her fate, including this contentious one with me.
If you were on that jury and you had heard what they have heard, would you kill you?
I don't believe in capital punishment, so the answer would be no.
Along with the media, defense attorneys are also worried about social media. They are asking the judge to compel any of those new jurors to release any of their Twitter accounts so they can be monitored during the retrial. The problem here, George, as you probably remember, Jodi Arias has her own Twitter account. She's been busy tweeting again just yesterday, posting a quote about how you can't trust the media.